Hello everyone. In this video we discuss about Ampere's circuital law. Here the statement of Ampere's circuital law is the line integral of h bar around a single closed path is equal to the current enclosed by that path. Mathematically we can write here the line integral of h bar, here the line integral of h bar around a single closed path is equal to current enclosed by that path. Now the proof of Ampere's circuital law. Here the infinite current filament which is placed on z axis, एक infinite current filament को हमने z axis पे रखा है और infinite current filament में से जो फ्लो होता हुआ करंट है वो I है. जैसे ही I करंट फ्लो होगा उसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी प्रोड्यूस होती है. उसको हमने फाइंड किया था लास्ट वीडियो में, जो है h बार इज इक्वल टू I अपॉन 2 पाई रो इंटू एफ आई बार. दैट इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी h बार ड्यू टू इनफाइनाइट करंट फिलामेंट. हियर रो इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस लूप. अगर हम इनफाइनाइट करंट फिलामेंट के आजू बाजू के पोर्शन में अगर एक सर्कुलर लूप कंसीडर करते हैं जिसकी रेडियस रो है, और अगर इन सिलिंड्रिकल सिस्टम की बात करें, कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम की बात करें, तो उसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट है जो हम लिख सकते हैं dl इज इक्वल टू dl बार इज इक्वल टू डी रो एरो बार प्लस रो डी फाई ए फाई बार प्लस डी जेड ए जेड बार. In cylindrical coordinate system, we considering the coordinate are dl bar is equal to d rho aero bar rho d phi a phi bar dz az bar. अगर हम इस सर्कुलर लूप की बात करें तो here there is the radius of rho is radius of circular loop. Here angle is changes only. Here angle is changes, so that d rho and dz is equal to 0. That is not considering d rho and dz is, so that its value is 0, so that dl bar is only rho d phi a phi bar. I am repeat again, here in circular loop rho radius is constant and only angle vector d phi is changes, so that angle is changes, so that we are considering only this portion, so that d rho and dz is equal to 0, so that dl bar is equal to rho d phi a phi bar. Now left hand side, for the proof of this Ampere's circuital law, left hand side is closed loop h bar dot dl bar. Here closed loop, that is the circle, and we know that the limit of circle is 0 to 2 pi. Here from 0 to 2 pi, we are rotating from 0 to here, then its limit is 0 to 2 pi. So I am writing here 0 to 2 pi, and h bar value is I upon 2 pi rho into a phi bar into dl bar is rho d phi a phi bar. Here rho and rho is cancelled, and a phi bar dot a phi bar is equal to 1, so that we can write 0 to 2 pi I upon 2 pi a phi bar dot a phi bar is 1 into d phi. Now I upon 2 pi is common, so that 0 to 2 pi d phi. The integration of d phi is phi, so that we can write I upon 2 pi phi, and limit is 0 to 2 pi. Now put upper limit and lower limit, so that we can write I upon 2 pi. First of all we put upper limit 2 pi minus lower limit, so that we can write I upon 2 pi multiplied by 2 pi. 2 pi is cancel, so answer is I. That is our right hand side. So that h bar dot dl bar is equal to I. Here our mathematical statement of Ampere's circuital law is proved. The line integral of h bar around a single closed path is equal to the current enclosed by that path. Thank you.